Namaste. I'm going to show you how to insert figure caption and how to generate list of figure. And you can see we are working on the chapter 2 2.1, and we have table, and we can see table caption is already inserted, and now we need caption for figure, and we need to generate list of figures. We have this process is quite similar to inserting list of tables. And now click on the figure and go to references, insert caption, and since we are not working for table, create a new label. We are working on the chapter 2, so this is figure 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 2 point. We write only 2 point and it will automatically give the number, so click on OK. Now you can see this is figure 2.1, which means this is figure from chapter 2 and this is figure number 1. And where do you want your figure title to position? This is position below selected item. So we, in order to generate it above, we select above selected items and click on OK and write the title. Now you can see I'm going to change the color into black, and also to change the font size, and this is already centered, and now it is the title you entered earlier. Now this is okay. And remember that figure does not need source, since figure is made from the table presented above. And now the process is same for generating figure, and this is next figure. Let's do it to make sure you get it. Select on the figure, click on insert caption, and then it automatically gave you figure 2 point, and which is correct since this is figure number 2 from chapter 2. And click on OK and write the name, or you can copy the name from you write earlier. Cut, Ctrl X and Ctrl V for paste. And now we need to centralize it. We have extra line, erase it. Now to see if we have correctly inserted figure title or not, we go to top front sections, after list table of content and table of figure, go to list of figures, click on enter, and now we need to generate list of figures automatically, and this is easy step. Click on under the heading of references, click on insert table of figures, the same one that we used for generating list of tables. And there is something you need to remember: view the caption label, make sure that it is for figure and belonging to chapter 2 point. So click on it and select the format if you want to change it, and now click OK. Now you can see it automatically generated list of figures. If you add some title to the other figures, then what you have to do to update it, just click on the table and directly click on update and update entire table. Okay, since I have not made any changes to other figures, this is all we have. I hope you get how to generate list of figures. Thank you.